Hi there. For many parts of England and Wales, it's been a very dry February so far. However, there is some rain to speak of overnight. Not a great deal. Mostly it's light, it's showery, it's pushing through northeast England into parts of the Midlands, Wales. Showers continuing for the southwest, and then this area of cloud and outbreaks of rain push southwards through the early hours. To the north of that, some showers initially for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but they disappear, and then clear skies and light winds. So a fairly widespread frost across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Temperatures in towns and cities 1 or 2 Celsius, but in sheltered spots a few degrees below freezing. However, frost-free in the south, where we've got those showers continuing first thing Thursday. They'll be on and off during the first few hours of the day, but by the afternoon, by lunchtime, most of those showers are disappearing into the Channel and the Channel Islands, Isles of Scilly, for example, and brighter skies follow from the north. And for much of England and Wales, we end the afternoon with sunny spells. But for Scotland and Northern Ireland, we start with the bright skies, but it turns cloudier into the afternoon with outbreaks of rain and a strengthening wind for the north and northwest of Scotland. 8 to 10 Celsius typically, feeling pleasant enough in the sunshine in the south, not so pleasant in the wind and rain further north. And that wet and windy weather continues for a time on Thursday night. A narrow band of rain here crosses northern Scotland during the late evening and early hours period. That's a cold front and it's sinking south. Ahead of that, the clouds will drift south, but in the far south, we'll see a frost in places with clear skies remaining until dawn. Whilst where we've got the areas of cloud, mostly it's frost-free, 6 or 7 degrees as we start off Friday. But there's an increasing wind, and that wind's going to push this cold front southwards, that cold front clearing as we go into Friday, and these tightening isobars bringing strengthening winds to the north and northeast of the UK. So you can see how that cold front progresses as the day goes on Friday. Quite a elongated feature, but it will bring some heavy bursts for a short period of time as it passes through. By the afternoon, it's across Wales, Northern Ireland and the central southern part of England. Showery rain associated with it, and further showers coming to the North Sea as well on this brisk wind. Now that wind's going to make it feel cold, so temperatures typically 9 to 11 Celsius, but when you add on that wind, it's going to feel more like 2 to 5 Celsius along the North Sea coast. Then as we head into the weekend, high pressure builds again, and so that helps to settle things down. Still a few showers in the east, but for many, it's mostly dry with some sunny spells at times.